Okay, so the title of our reading for today is Our Rainy Day. Is it raining right now in your place? No. Is it raining now?
No,
Okay, how's the weather today, Annie?
today is sunny.
Today is sunny. Okay, and what day is it today?
Sunday.
It's Sunday. Do you love weekends? Do you like
Yeah.
Okay, what do you usually do on weekends? What?
Play badminton
Play badminton. Where and who with who?
with my friends
Mm-hmm. I play with my friends. Where?
at the park.
Oh, at the park. So what time do you go to the park today? What time?
Because today is windy, so I can't go to the park and play with my friends.
Okay, so you will stay at home?
Probably yes.
Oh, great. And if you stay at home, what do you plan to do?
I like drawing.
Drawing, okay. What do you like to draw? Do
I
you
like
to draw
draws flowers
flowers? What else? Aside from flowers, what else do you like to draw?
and people.
People. Okay. People. Besides drawing, do you love to do some other things?
Other things.
Yeah. Do you like reading? Do you like watching TV? Or do you just like playing with your dolls, if you have dolls or toys, something like that? What other things do you do?
My mom tell me
Mm-hmm.
I can read books,
Mm-hmm.
read and read.
Mm-hmm. So your mom tells you to read books. Yeah?
Yes,
Okay. All right. So today we're gonna read about a rainy day. So this is Rosie again, and this is her brother Ben. Oh, take a look. Who's here? Grandpa is here. And we're going to start reading the story that entitles A Rainy Day. Okay?
let's play board game, said Ben. No, says Rosie. Let's go to the park.
Mm.
We can't play in the park, says Ben. It's rainy today. Look,
Mm-hmm.
Rosie, look at the rain,
Mm-hmm.
she said.
Oh.
Grandpa and Clunk are here. I have a new machine, children, says Grandpa. Clunk the robot has a new machine in his hands. There is a well on the machine. Grandpa turns the well to sunny. Look out the window, he says to Ben and Rosie. It isn't raining, says Rosie. It's sunny. We can go to the park. The children run and play in the park. Then Rosie says, let's play with the kite. We can't fly the kites, said Ben. It isn't windy. Clunk turns the wheel on the machine to windy. Thank you, Clunk, said Rosie. The kite goes up.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the machine, the clunk turns the wheel, right? This is the wheel. Clunk turns the wheel, not wheel. Wheel. Okay? Yes, this is the wheel. Mm. The ball.
The ball goes up. It hits the machine. The wheel turns and turns. It doesn't stop. It is sunny. It is cloudy. There is rain. Then there is snow. My machine, Grandpa. The, the children are in the house. Rosie looks at the rain. I like playing board games, she says.
So let's do the activities. Look at the front cover of this book, answer the questions, and talk to a friend. Okay, so what can you see? Do you remember the first picture? See that? The first picture. Look, what can you see? This is the book cover. Mm. Mm-hmm. What do you see?
Rosie.
What else? Who else? Mm-hmm.
The robot.
Okay, the robot, the machine, Clunk. Okay, Clunk. This is Clunk, the robot. This is the machine.
Machine.
And look at the surrounding. What's the weather like?
Rainy.
Rainy. Okay. All right, so let's go back. The next question, how many children are there?
Two children.
Okay, there are two children. Where are they? Yes, where are they? Based on the picture, the first picture that I saw, that I show you. Yeah. Where are Rosie, Ben, and Grandpa? And also Clunk in the machine. Where?
In the garden.
In the garden? Are you sure that they are in the garden?
In the park.
Okay. So, do you like rain?
No.
No? Why not?
Because.
Because?
No. Yes. I like rains.
Okay, you like rainy days. You like rain. I like rain. Why? Why do you like rain?
Because I can play with my friends in our house.
Oh, okay. So if it's raining, that means you can play inside the house with your friends. So if you play inside the house, then what do you usually play with your friends? Do you play board games?
Yes, we
Oh,
do. We do like play board game
oh, what kind? Can you tell me? What kind?
like
Do you play chess?
um and I don't know what names.
Oh, okay. You don't know the
This
names in English? Mm-hmm. All right. All right. So let's match these pictures to the correct words on the right. Okay, so the first one is done for you. This one is what we called rain. What about this? What is this picture?
Machine,
Machine. Perfect. What about this?
window,
Window. How about this?
sun,
Sun. This one is
uh, children,
children. Okay, this one is,
mm, wind,
I mean, this one before this one first.
rain,
Rain. And this, the last picture,
wind.
wind. Okay, so you said today is windy outside, right? Right? Is it windy? Yes
Yeah,
or no? Okay, it's windy. Do you like windy? Do you like windy days?
yes.
Yes, I like windy days too, because it's cool. Yeah. And I think, no, not I think, but I'm sure if you like to fly a kite, you can do it because it's windy, right? So during windy days, let me ask you, during windy days, what activities can you do? What activities can you do when it's windy outside? Mm,
Flying kite,
flying a kite. What else?
um, and um,
You can run. Right? You can still run. You can go walking. You can go out with your pet dog. If you have a pet dog, pet cat, it's windy outside, it's cool. So you can fly a kite, you can run, you can play tag with your friends, you know, a lot of things you can do. You can sit down and read a book at the park, things like this, right?
mm,
Mm-hmm. Okay. So,
uh,
yeah, sure. You tell me.
I I teacher, I play with my friends and we've got a model plane
Oh,
and it's just like a kite. It can fly at the wind.
mm-hmm. That's nice. Okay. When do you usually, fly a what's that again? What's the name of that game?
Fly model plane.
Oh, model plane. It's like a kite, right? Model plane. Okay. So during windy days?
Yes.
Okay. Do you make those model planes? Do you make them?
I we buy some.
Ah, okay. So I thought, like because when I was a kid, when I was your age, I used to create, paper planes. Do you know paper planes? Yeah, and then we just throw it like that. Shoo. Yes. And then when it's windy, it goes flying, It goes around, flies right there where you're throwing at. Mm. And it's just a made of paper. Yeah. Okay, we don't buy. We just create it. We just make it. Do you know how? Oh, okay. It's very easy. Maybe your mom knows or your dad. Okay, so take a look. Yeah, sure. You say something? Okay. Now in this activity, you're going to um you're supposed to write, but no need to write, okay? You just tell me what are these. So start from number 1, it's made for you, okay? Number 1 is park. Number 2 is
Board game.
board game. Do you have this kind of board game is called snakes and ladders.
Legs and ladders.
Do you have a board game like this?
No.
Mm, when I was young, I used to play snakes and ladders with my friends. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Snakes and ladders. It's fun. How about number 3? What is this?
Sad.
Sad. When you're sad, what do you do?
Um.
Do you cry?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. What makes you sad, Annie?
Um. Likes.
Huh?
Uh.
Do you feel sad when you miss your dad?
Um. Yes.
Okay. Do you feel sad when you know, when when your friend is not playing with you?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
We. Uh. Um. My friends and me play together,
Uh-huh.
and you know, have a little quarrel.
Oh, okay. That's normal, you know. It's all right, but later you'll be friends again, right?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So you feel sad when you quarrel with your friends or when you fight with your friends, right? Mm, that is normal. How about number 4? What's this?
Rain. Rainy.
Okay, rain. Yes. What days or what months? Yeah, what months in China? Okay, I'm talking about in your country. Yeah, when and what months are the rainy season?
Um.
Mm. Do you remember? Do you know?
Mm, no.
Okay, no worries. So let's move on to yes or no. You just tell me if it's a yes or if it's a no. Make sure you understand the sentence. Okay, number one, Ben has a board game. Obviously, yes, right? Because there is already a given answer. Number two, Rosie wants to go to the park.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. It's rainy today.
Yes.
Ben is sad.
No.
No. So who is sad?
Rosie.
Why? Why is she sad?
Be- because
Hmm? Because
because sh- uh,
she
she
because
can't play outside.
yes, she can't play outside. What does she want to do?
Kicking the ball.
Oh yeah, kicking a ball. Where? Where does she want to go?
Go to the park.
Okay. Why can't she go to the park?
Because it's raining today.
Okay, very good. Do you like board games?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Do you have board games at home?
Um. No.
No? Okay, so you said a while ago that you play board games with your friends sometimes. Whose
Uh.
board game? Yes, you're playing. You're playing with.
My friends had a board game.
Oh, okay, your friends. All right, so the next activity here, we have we have activities for pages 6 and 7. You put a tick or you just tell me, okay, check and cross, check and cross. Okay. So this is a machine.
No.
Yeah, it's cross. This is a wheel.
No.
These are hands.
Yes.
This is a robot.
Yes.
Then what is this number one? If this is not a machine, so what is this?
It's a whale.
Okay, it's a wheel. And how about this? If this is not a wheel, then what is this?
It's a machine.
It's a machine. Okay. Now let's go to completing the sentences. Use the words in the box or in this colored box here. Grandpa and Clunk are here. Number two, you complete the sentence, please.
Grandpa has a new machine.
Mm-hmm. Number three.
Grandpa turned the wheel.
Correct.
Ben and Rosie look out the window.
Very good. Okay, now for activities, for pages 8 and 9, let's arrange the word. Okay, I mean arrange the letter to find out what's the correct word. Okay, the first one is run. This is made for you. Number two is,
Kite.
yeah, you spell it Kite, something like that. Yes. Okay, number three,
Fly.
can you spell it?
Fly.
Fly. Very good. And number four,
Wind. Windy.
mm-hmm. Okay.
W I N D Y.
Windy. Very good. You did a very good job. How about number 2? Let's put the words in order. Okay, number 1, please try to read.
It isn't raining.
Number 2.
The children play in the park.
Very good. Number 3.
They can't fly the kite.
Okay. Now, let's talk about this question here. Do you have a kite?
No,
No? Okay. But do you like to fly a kite?
I usually play with my friends.
Okay. Have you tried flying a kite yet? Have you tried flying a kite?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So whose kite was that?
What did you in the tide of that?
I mean, whose kite? Who owns the kite? You said you don't have a kite, and you said you tried flying a kite. You tried. So whose kite was that? Was
I
that your friend's? Huh?
I borrowed the kite from my friends.
Ah, okay.
We played together.
Okay. So how was the feeling? You know, how was the feeling flying a kite? Did you like it?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So let's go to the next page. Here, these are the activities for pages 10 and 11. You choose the correct words, okay? Yes, these are the words that you can choose. Let's read.
Clown turns the wheel to Wendy. The kite goes up.
Okay.
The ball goes up and it hits the machine. The wheel turns and turns. It doesn't stop.
Very good. Okay, that's very easy. We're going to match now. It's column 1 to column 2. Okay, Clonk turns the wheel to Windy. That's number 1. How about number 2?
Rosie says, "Thank you, Clank."
Yeah.
The kite goes up. The ball hits the machine. The wheel turns and turns.
All right. Perfect. Now let's do this. The activities for pages 12 and 13. You're just going to tick or let's just say check and cross in, after reading the sentence. This is a cloud.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. How about number 2? This is snow.
No.
No. This is rain.
Yes.
This is a house.
No.
No. If this is not a snow, then what is this?
It's a house.
It's a house. And this, if this is a house, if this isn't a house, what is this?
It's this is no.
It's a snow. Okay. Does it snow in your place, Annie? In
Mm,
winter. In winter. I'm talking about winter, not now. Does it snow in your place in winter?
it's usually snow, but sometimes it doesn't snow, or it just snow a little bit.
Oh, I see. Okay. So is in winter, is it very cold? It,
Um,
mhm.
in my country,
Uh-huh.
if it snow, it goes very cold, and you must wear you must wear so many clothes.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay,
Usually,
but in my country, it doesn't snow at all because we don't have
I
winter.
can see.
Yeah. All right. Now look at the picture on page 13. So where is page 13? Um, page 13. Let's go back to page 13. Oh, yes. There you go. So this is page 13. And look at the picture carefully. Look at the picture carefully. And after that, we're going to answer the questions. Okay? There are
Okay.
two children. Yes or no?
Yes.
They are at the park.
Yes.
Hmm? That's
No.
page 13. So where are they? If they are not in the park, where
They're
are they?
in the house.
Okay.
They
They have,
board game.
yeah, they have a board game.
Yes.
Grandpa is sad.
Yes.
Why?
Because he his new machine is broken.
Very good. Do you like this story? Do you like this?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. You know, isn't it amazing that grandpa can create a machine that can change the weather whenever they like? Yeah, it's amazing, right? It's
I
amazing.
wish
You
I
wish?
wish I can have this machine too.
Uh-huh. Right. Of course, I wish it too. Like, oh, it's so hot outside. I want to push the button and maybe turn the wheel, right? Of that machine.
Mm,
Then, oh, it's hot. Then I want it cold. Oh, I want to flower. I want to water the plants because I have so many plants. I'll just push the button, that machine, and then it's going to rain, right? That's awesome.
mm,
Mm. Do you think do you think there is a machine like that?
no,
No. Okay. Why? Why do you think there's no machine like that?
because every machine can't change weather at
Mhm.
all.
Okay, very good. Well, this is just a story, right? This is just
Mm,
a story. What else? Grandpa has a machine, has a new machine. And what other things does grandpa have? Because like he has
the van.
oh yeah, a van. Okay, grandpa has Clunk as well, right? A robot.
Yes,
Yeah, I think Clunk is his assistant. And what about the van? What's nice about the van?
because the van can change the place.
Can
And
go anywhere, right?
yes, for example, Rosie want to go at the zoo, but they're at home. Then press the button to zoo. Then they can
Yeah. Yeah, they
after 1 second and they can go to the zoo. As fast
exactly. Yeah, that's fast, right? It's very quick. They can just go anywhere they like very quickly. Correct? Okay, so if you have a van, or if you are a friend, or yeah, if you are a friend of Rosie and you visit Rosie at home, okay, one day you visit Rosie at home and you play. And then suddenly Rosie said, "Hey, let's go to where? Where would you like to go?" Annie.
and I want to go everywhere.
Everywhere. First stop. Where would you like to go first?
And Shanghai.
Shanghai. Okay.
Yeah,
Where are you now?
Beijing
Beijing. Why would you like to go to Shanghai?
because it has a Disney.
Oh, it has a Disneyland?
Yes,
Oh, cool. So you want to go to, you want to go. Let's ask Grandpa, okay? Let's ask Grandpa and let's ride on his van. Grandpa, can we ride on your van? And we'll go to Shanghai, particularly in Disneyland. Yeah, and Grandpa will just push the button and just one, how many seconds? Just a blink. Yes, you're there. You're there in the Disneyland, right? What can you see in the Disneyland, Annie?
the princess.
Oh, who's your favorite princess?
Um, uh,
Mm,
Elsa.
Elsa. Okay. Do you have a doll? Do you have an Elsa doll?
Um,
No.
and and you know, I am very small. I have a doll.
Mm-hmm. Okay. When you were a young girl, but you're still young. Yeah, you're still young. You're still small, right?
Very, very, very small. Like
How old were you?
six,
How old were you when you play your dolls?
5 years old,
And you're how old are you now?
8 years old,
No, you. How about now? How old are you?
uh, 8 years old.
Oh, that was like 3 years ago, right? Okay.
Yes.
Do you still keep your dolls? Do you keep your dolls or you just
I
give them
don't,
away?
I don't wear. I don't know where is the Elsa
Oh,
doll. It's gone.
oh, it's gone. Okay. All right. So here, the next page here is about the weather. Ah, okay. Can you still remember when was the last time it rained in your place? When was the last time? Was that Tuesday? Was that yesterday?
Uh,
Mm.
um,
When was the last time it rained?
rain.
Yeah, rainy, raining. So
Um,
yesterday here in my country,
it's it's
yes,
long time ago.
long time ago. Wow. Okay. How about when when was the sunny day last week? Mm.
Sunny day last week.
Yeah, because today is Sunday. So yesterday, how what was the weather like? Can you tell me? What was the weather like yesterday?
Sunny.
It was sunny. Okay.
No, sorry.
Yeah. Was it hot? Was it cold? Was it windy? What is cool? Was it cool? No, I mean
Yes.
yesterday. Yesterday, not today. Yesterday.
Yes. Mm,
Mm. Can you remember? No?
no.
Okay. All right. So let's just read this. Monday, it's sunny and cloudy. What about Tuesday?
Rainy and cloudy.
It's raining and cloudy. Okay. Wednesday.
It's windy and rainy.
Uh-huh. Thursday.
It's hot and sunny.
Yeah, it's hot and sunny. Friday.
It's sunny.
Saturday.
It's windy.
Windy. Sunday. It's
It's
it's sunny.
sunny and windy.
Uh-huh. How about today? Is it sunny and windy? The same as this weather?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, I'll give you a homework, all right? Before we move on to the next, I will give you a homework. Starting tomorrow, okay? Starting tomorrow and starting today, okay? Starting today, you create a weather calendar. Okay, you create it like this. Oh, Sunday, you put what's the weather this day. Okay, Sunday, you do it like this. Do you get me, Annie? You draw something like this. Let's say, oh, you put Monday, it's sunny and windy. Then you draw, and then the next Monday, and then Tuesday. So you have to write every day. You have to write what's the weather like, okay? Is that okay? And then
Okay.
next week you show it to me. And then next Sunday, the next week, the next time we talk, you show it to me, okay? What you do. Do you understand?
Mm, just a picture like this.
Yeah, just like this. You just follow this. You just put the days
Mm,
like this, Monday to Sunday, and then you put what's the weather like, of course. And then you put or you draw a picture because you said you like to draw a picture, right? So you put the weather like, oh, it's windy and it's cloudy. Then you put something that is appropriate, okay? Do you understand?
yes.
Okay, I will ask you again on Sunday, okay? Like, hey, Annie, where is your homework? Then you show it to me. Okay, do you like
Yes.
it? Do you like that? Every day, you have to do it every day. You don't have to do it, like today. You don't have to do it just
All
one.
of it.
Yeah,
Just one.
every day. Every day. You draw and you describe the weather every day. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So here in the story, Grandpa, Clunk, and the children go to the park. Now, do you like the park?
Mm, uh,
Mm-hmm. Do
some
you
part.
huh?
Some part. Some. I've go to many of the many park.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay. Okay. So like what park is your favorite? You know that you visit regularly. Which park? Is that the park near your house? Is that the park near your building? Or is that the park like 15 kilometers away? Mm, which park?
The park near the river.
Near the river. Is that away from your house?
Yes.
Oh, like
Cross
how
cross the river from the bridge.
really? You have to cross the river first
Yes.
before you can reach the park? Oh,
Yes.
okay. How do you go there? I mean, by car. How many hours?
Um not to uh mm, the the bridge is a shortcut.
Okay. Yeah.
Um, it's very short to go that my the park is near my house.
Okay. Very good. All right. What do you see there? I mean, why do you like that park? Because there's a river?
Uh I don't like that park because it's boring.
It's boring. Why? Why do you say it's boring?
Because it's not too much uh play
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
placings in this park is just trees and all of trees.
Oh, but I like trees, you know? You know, when you see a lot of trees around you, I think it's going to be very cool, right? So if there are
Mm,
so many trees, it's going to be very cool. And yeah, it's very nice for the eyes. You can see greens, and it's not so hot because there's so many trees. You don't like that?
but to me and my friends,
Mm,
it's boring for of the tree. But sometimes the tree is very short,
okay.
mm, and and some boys can climb up.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So there are short trees, there are tall trees, right? And short trees, your friends like climbing up, right?
But
Okay.
my mom think it's dangerous.
Of course, it is dangerous for girls and even for young boys, you know?
Mm,
Yeah. Okay. So what kind of park do you like? Can you describe? Describe the park that you like. I like a park which has, you can say, I like a park which has a bigger playground. I like a park with so many trees. I like a park with um what what kind? Like I like a park with a lot of benches and tables where I can sit with my friends. I like a park um with a playhouse for kids.
yes,
Yeah.
a playhouse.
Do you have a park like that?
Part like this nearly my house,
Uh,
but we should drive cars to
to go
to
there?
this to that park.
Oh, okay. Do you have to pay when you go to the park? Do you have to pay?
Pay? What do you
Yeah.
mean pay?
Pay, you give money. You give money before you can play to the, play and go to the park.
Yes,
Yeah?
it's 30 yuan. Not
Oh,
too much.
yeah, I know. Okay. Are there so many people there?
It's all kids in there.
Oh, just kids. What about young or old people? Like are there old people
Old
dancing?
old people. Old people like grown up, they will go free.
Oh, they're free. Okay. But what I want to see if there are old people dancing.
Old people dancing.
That dance, like they dance. They go to the park and they dance. Do you see that kind
Mm, at
at the square?
at this square, they go like nearly my house. Like
Mm-hmm.
I told you, next to the rivers, this park, it's so many old women
Oh,
dance at the the
that's the square, right? That's the square. That's the that
mm,
place is next to the park where you usually go. Yeah.
mm,
Mm-hmm. Okay. So here we have picture dictionary. Let's read first. Ball.
ball, board game, children, cloudy, fly, hand, house, highs, machine, park, rain day, robots, run, sad, snow, sunny, turn, up, well, window, windy.
Okay. Okay. So how many windows are there in your house? Can you tell me? Do you know how many windows are there?
How many windows?
Yeah. Do you have windows?
Yes,
Oh, yeah. So how many windows?
5.
5 windows, like big or small windows.
Um,
That one, that's a window, right?
mm,
The that glass beside you, that's a glass window, right?
mm,
Yes or no?
yes,
Yes. Is that a
yes.
big window? Is that a big window, darling?
3, 3
Three.
big, 3 big window and 2 small people window. The small
Oh,
window.
okay, okay. So since it's very cold outside, do you usually close the windows?
My mom, because it's still a bit cold.
Mm-hmm.
My mom my mom said at the morning my grandma always open the window a bit.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And my mom wake up. She
Mm-hmm.
said, "It's too cold. Close the window."
Mm-hmm. Okay. Why does your grandma open the windows a little? Why?
Because she wants the fresh air.
Correct. That's exactly what I'm trying to see. What I'm trying to see or what I'm trying to feel is that in the morning I want the windows open too here because I want to feel the fresh air. I want to smell the fresh air. Okay. So the same with your grandma. How old is your grandma, Annie?
And
Is she 50 years old? Is she 60 years old?
60.
60 years old. Okay,
Yeah.
she lives with you, right?
Mm.
Yes. How many people are there in your place? Like grandma, mother, father. Father is not home, right?
Um, my father is at the house.
Yeah, yeah, Laos. Okay, I remember you told me. Did you go did you go to Laos last time, last vacation?
Um, he's coming to us.
Oh, he came home, right?
Mm, and he go then.
Oh, he go back. Oh.
It just 24 days
Oh, he
in
was home for 24
the
days.
Chinese, and then he go back.
Oh, okay. So he came home and spent the New Year, right? Spring Festival, correct?
Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
that's right. Okay. I'm sure you are so happy, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Did you go anywhere?
I go to the Changsha
Oh, where is that Changsha?
at the Chinese.
China. Yeah, yeah.
China.
Is it still in Beijing?
No.
It's a different city?
Yes.
Ah, okay. That's great. So did you enjoy your vacation?
Yes, I enjoy that because I can eat